Easy prompt cycling was impossible in ComfyUI, so I built my own node where each line of text is the new prompt. I can run it and we will get the next image. I'm using the Stable Diffusion 1.5, a very, very basic model, so we don't really get any good pictures. I'm usually running this with Flux. It doesn't really matter what model you're using. To get it, you need to go to my GitHub. The link will be in the description. On the code, you can click download as zip, and you can unzip it into the custom nodes folder on your computer. Then restart ComfyUI, and it will be there. There are other instructions. You can use git clone to go and clone it on your computer. It's fairly straightforward. If you're new to this, if you're new to ComfyUI, I have a whole introduction to ComfyUI that talks about installations and getting used to these commands. But if you're an experienced user of ComfyUI, you know what to do. And once it's in the custom nodes folder, restart Comfy, then double click anywhere, and I will look for prompt cycler. I go to Nitsky prompt cycler, simple. And I already have some preloaded prompts there. And that then needs to go into the clip text and code node, and prompt goes into the clip and text node. What I like to do as well, I like to use display any RG3 that will show what is the current prompt. I also like to use concatenate nodes in case I want to introduce a particular, say, character in every scene that's be a scene here. So I'll go concatenate. This one is a pretty simple one. I will plug in this one as B, and I will say cat posing in front. And I will run that, and that should give us a cat posing in front. Oh wait, it doesn't give us anything because it's not actually connected. I will connect that into the clip, and then I will connect that into the display. There we go. We have our prompt. Cat posing in front of a space station orbiting a distant planet, and I forgot to put a space there. So for delimiter, I can just put a space bar there, and that will make sure that the next one is good. And we can check either a cat. Yeah, there we go. There's a cat, and then the cat will be running on every image. Awesome. So now I'm combining concatenation with a lot of prompts. You can run thousands of them. This is a lifesaver for me because what I used before looked like this. This was all used to do that one particular node I built. At the time, I didn't have the knowledge how to compress and simplify it. And if you like what you see and you want to support the channel, I have a Patreon. You can go check it out. Also, with all this knowledge I accumulated, I built an app, a FotoRipple, that combines 5 to 10 photos into one long movie gift that animates the archival photos. You can make a present for your loved ones, for mom, dad, brother, sister, and check it out and create your first free video there. You cannot get my node in the custom nodes manager yet, just because I didn't have time to properly commit to their GitHub, but it will eventually appear there once I have more nodes to show. I don't want to just push one node pack. There is no pack in one node. And if you have ideas for your own nodes, please leave them in the comment. Maybe some of them can be useful and I can build them and I can share them with the community.